asuntosykeyhtiö Puosunköysi.
Yes, and today it's the 8th of July 2022. We have Puosunrinne, Modernized, 4th staircase C, and this is the last staircase in this building. And apparently this one and the staircase A were built first here, probably in 1980. But the staircase B was built later, maybe in summer 1980.
Yeah.
It was delayed. This one has 7 floors, and it was also built in 1980. Turned 40 years old in 2020, and its number is age 32316. Can you turn the lights here? Lights.
No.
Automatic. It's full memory, and it's working here.
Yeah.
And we expect it in 2024. Amazing smell.
Yeah. Tittbacke var inspekterat meitä nyt pois sillä.
Strange noises.
Yeah.
I'll check the alarm code first.
That's